alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My name is Tahir Nasa. I am 6 years old and this is my hijab story. I am Allah's special creation and I wear hijab with pride, but I'm not the only one who wears it. The pea is a splendid plant. It proudly displays its strong green hijab that protects it from the hot and cold weather and guards it from insects. Allah has blessed the pea with a special hijab because without it the pea seeds would fall, dry up and die. So does the orange and the coconut. Each one has a unique hijab which protects it from bugs. The jewel of the sea, the pearl, has been given a very tough and rough hijab, the oyster shell. It protects it from sea animals and keeps it sparkling and shining inside. The most beloved of Allah in all His creation is the Muslim girls who wear the hijab. I know it is a gift from Allah. I wear it knowing it gives me dignity, beauty and respect. The hijab is the flag of Islam and I will be recognized as a Muslim wherever I go, and I will protect my hijab for the sake of Bibi Zainab and Bibi Sakina, for the hijab was taken after Karbala. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.